After the whole Rishi and Janak wedding track, before even the wedding track complete, we will find out that Rishi will actually lose his memory, and that will lead to a shocking twist in the series where he will fall in love again with Aditi, and Janak will be heartbroken. And this is the beginning of it. She didn't even get to enjoy the wedding ceremony, finish and everything, but yeah, this memory loss twist is coming and it's happening actually in weeks time, so I'm trying to alert you so that you know what happens before you show on TV. Don't forget to subscribe in case you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, as we jump straight into the video of today on channel.
Nelu saying it has been proved Jhanak is cursed and unlucky to them. Mishti examines Tanushri. Neelu asks Mishti to say something. Mishti notices salt near Tanushri. She asks what salt is doing there. Neelu says, Jhanak made Tanushri smell salt. Mishti scolds Jhanak and asks whether the latter did not study anything. Abhimanyu says Rishi would have been safe now. Jhanak had not entered Rishi's life then, and he blames Jhanak for Rishi and Aditi's divorce. He says Tanushri is in pain because of Jhanak. Jhanak asks him what he wants her to do. Abhimanyu tells her to leave the house. Jhanak agrees. Dadabhai tells Abhimanyu that Jhanak is their daughter-in-law and he understands Abhimanyu, but it's not right. Abhimanyu says he doesn't want anyone's sympathy and Jhanak got support from Dadabhai and Putul, which was wrong. Dadabhai asks why Jhanak should leave the house when Ankush's men kidnapped Rishi. Jhanak says she decided to leave the house. Dadabhai says Jhanaka is making the wrong decision. Jhanaka says her husband is not there and her father-in-law doesn't want her there. So she will leave the house. Abhimanyu says he took the right decision. So he won't change it. Sanjabati says she will leave the house if Jhanak leaves then. Putul says she will go with Jhanak. Dhritiman asks them what they are saying. Mishti gives medicine to Tanushri. Tanushri regains her consciousness and asks what's happening. She asks about Rishi. Dadabhai says Abhimanyu wants Jhanak to leave the house. Neelu says Abhimanyu's decision is right. Jhanak asks Dadabhai not to fight for her. Abhimanyu tells Jhanak that he said so much in anger and his son is missing and also his wife is in this condition. Jhanak tells him she understands, but she can't stay there because she can't tolerate more insults. Neelu asks Abhimanyu why he's changing his decision. She says, let Zanna go. Abhimanyu tells Jhanak that he's not telling her to leave, but she can leave if she wants. Then he asks her to return if Rishi returns then. Jhanak says she won't return ever. Tanushri tells Abhimanyu to let Jhanak go and says she will find Rishi without Jhanak's help. She asks Jhanak not to forget Rishi is missing because of Jhanak. Jhanak asks whether Tanushri has any plan. She says they can't go to the police station and they never saw Ankush's men too. And she promises that she'll bring Rishi back. She leaves from there. The next day, Arshi tells Aniruddhal that Aditi should not know about Rishi's kidnap. Anirudh asks why Arshi doesn't want this. Arshi says Aditi did not move on completely. That's why she doesn't want Aditi to know about Rishi's kidnap. Aniruddha agrees to not tell Aditi about Rishi's kidnap. Anjana hears this. Says it's a really serious matter. Aditi comes there and asks what they're talking about. Arshi asks Aditi what Kaushik said. Aditi says Kaushik wants marriage to happen as soon as possible. Anjana says she's glad Aditi moved on. Aditi gives all the credit to Anirudh and Arshi. She notices their expression and asks whether they are hiding anything from her. She asks Anirudh whether he went to Rishi's house last night. Anirudh remains silent. Aditi says Jhanak matters for Anirudh now. Anirudh tells her it's not like that. Aditi says she understands Janak is the younger daughter to Aniruddha, but that doesn't mean he can be unfair towards her. And how can Anirudh skip her function too? Attend Janak's function? Aniruddha looks at Arshi. Arshi asks Aniruddha why he. When he knows they don't like Janak, Anirudh says Janak is his daughter and he wants to fulfill his responsibility as a father. Abhimanyu calls Aditi and says he wants to talk to Aniruddha. Aditi puts the phone on speaker. Abhimanyu tells Aniruddha that they can't go to the police. So, he wants to know whether the latter can help him. Aditi asks Abhimanyu what happened. Abhimanyu tells her about Rishi's kidnap. Aditi gets shocked hearing this. Aniruddha asks what he can do. Abhimanyu says Aniruddha can inform the police. Arshi asks why they should care about Rishi now. Aniruddha tells Abhimanyu that he will do something and disconnects the call. Arshi tells Aniruddha to not do anything. Aditi tells Aniruddha to help them. She says it's necessary to find Rishi. Arshi asks why Aditi still cares about Rishi. Anjana asks why Aditi cares about Rishi when she divorced Rishi and engaged with Kaushik. She asks whether Aditi loves Rishi. Still, Aditi says she doesn't know about that. Arshi asks what she will tell to Kaushik's parents. Aditi says her priority is Rishi now. Arshi tells Aniruddha that Aditi loves Rishi still. On the other side, Rakesh threatens to shoot Rishi if the latter doesn't tell his name. Then, Rishi screams he doesn't know and he doesn't remember anything. Meanwhile, Arshi tells Aditi that Rishi is not a good guy. Aditi says Rishi needs her. Aniruddha says Aditi is right. Arshi says Aniruddh would definitely be happy because he can support Janak openly. She asks what rights Aditi has to help Rishi. The episode ends.